Today we'll talk about how can you enable two-factor authentication on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. Here you just click on settings. So then you come to next step. Here it's going to show for you like this. Click here on account and security. You just click on it here. So then you come to next step. Here it's going to show for you like this. Click here on two-factor authentication. Just click on it. You click here on this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean two-factor authentication enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking